Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and we are going to keep some utensils inside the dishwasher guys. And now let's open the door. As you can see guys, how much dirt it is inside the dishwasher door. See these plates and inside the dishwasher. And this a backup. Guys, you think that whether it is clean or not. I am also thinking, I think it will not clean, but I am hoping that it will clean. And check this plate guys, how it is. We have kept down like this so that we can clean them everything. And let's open this drawer and see guys, this bowl is how it is. And see the spoons, there are some curry left, and this bowl there are some oil stains, and see the corner guys, there are also some curry stains left. See guys the overall how it is. Oh, it is stuck. Okay, now let's close the drawer and the dishwasher. Check the dosa bucket guys. And now we will close the dishwasher door. As you can see guys, I have opened the app and you saw which mode I checked, and now it has started, and let's check it afterwards. Okay guys, now let's see how the utensils are cleaned. Yeah, inside it is very hot. It will be a little smelly because of the ring egg. Oh my god, wow, it is shining. It is so hot guys, because of the steam. Oh, see guys, I showed you before, see how it is clean, and it is so shiny because of the ring egg. See guys, how is it? You are thinking why it is so shiny because of the ring egg. This is the bowl where dosa batter has been added, and now let's see this. Oh my god, wow. Oh my god, see the tiffin plate guys. See these corners, there are no any stains left. I wonder how it is cleaning it so easily. Oh yeah. Let's see the glass lids. Gosh. See this, there are no water stains left. It's so neat. Now let's check the topper rack. That is so shiny. See this guys, generally it would take hard to clean the white bowls, but it is so neat. Same as this, it is actually pink. Pink was the white. Oh my gosh. See guys, inside how it is so neat. And these corners, yeah, these are before stains. See this guys, now let us check the inside too. Wow guys, it is so neat. See guys, you are thinking that how it is so shiny. Because of we are hanging the ring set, that's why it makes so shiny. See guys. Oh my god, it is so neat. I never expected. Yeah, even before they were hard skinks, now it went away. Okay guys, now let's see the cutlery tray. Yeah, here we kept forks, tea filter, see guys how it is so neat. And see this chimta. Oh my god, it is so hot. Now let's check it before, after. Yeah, it is so neat. We are little water stains left, but it's okay. Guys, can you check the difference? Yesterday this filter was like this corner it was so dusty, and today we have kept in dishwasher and it had become so neat. I can't even believe. See guys, see this. Can you check the differences? Guys, see this ladle. Yesterday we had cooked bread. I thought there will be ghee left over, but I can't believe there are no ghee stains. It is so neat. Check. Okay guys, now we saw how the utensils have been cleaned. It had been cleaned so nice that I'm in shock. Now let's talk about few things. Things to check before dishwasher. Ensure there is detergent in the detergent compartment. Ensure both the fans are rotating easily without any problem. Ensure the drainage pipe is at ground level. Otherwise, you know what will happen. The drainage water will be in dishwasher and it will be so messy. And let's talk about loading time. Guys, some of you think that within the loading time we can clean the utensils. But it hardly takes 5 minutes to load, and this comes with experience. Some of you might think that it would take so much time to clean the utensils. Yes, but there are fewer advantages. During this time, you can spend the time with your family. You can do your hobbies such as painting, drawing, boxing, etc. And you can do kitty party with your friends. It takes low power consumption. It takes only 10 to 15 liters of the water. And guys, I forgot to tell you guys that I got viewers, but I'm not getting subscribers and likes from you guys. Please do it guys so that it will encourage me to do more videos. If you guys do, I'll make a video on Bissell HF2 vacuum cleaner.